Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business brand logo display using 3D Workspace in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place the logo. I pause because logos carry identity. I convert the logo into 3D. The 3D Workspace opens smoothly. I adjust extrusion depth carefully. Business branding needs elegance. I rotate the logo slightly for presence. I add subtle lighting from one side. I zoom in to check sharpness. I zoom out to test impact. The logo now feels premium and confident. 3D Workspace strengthens business.